Hi folks, welcome to another edition of Made for Corrections Monday. And today what I'm talking about is our plastic turners, one-piece plastic turners. So both of these are available from Cook's. This is our copolymer turner, and it is great for use in lighter duty applications and applications that don't require any high heat at all. So this is a one-piece plastic design. It has the shape of a traditional hamburger turner, if you've ever used one of those in your kitchen, and also has a hole on the end so that you can hang it up in a tool locker or on a peg of any sort in order to control that. Our other turner is our nylon turner, which is good for use in high heat applications. So you can use this turner on the griddle for pancakes or for hamburgers or anything else that you may be cooking on the griddle. Same one-piece design. In fact, it comes out of the same mold as this one, just a different material. So it also features the hole on the end so you can easily put it on a hook or on a peg and control it that way. So we had a lot of customers in corrections that were asking for one-piece designs, all plastic, and so we came out with both of these turners to address that need. Now, if you have a problem in your correctional kitchen that you're not able to solve, please give us a call and we'll do our best to solve it for you. And until next week, stay safe.